Ms. Ghosh, what's your assessment here? How important is the egg, without looking at the politics, without saffronizing this entire midday meal, just like panelists are talking about, the importance of egg? Help the viewers understand that.
Okay. Yes, I'm also Bengali. I'm born and brought up in West Bengal. So last 17 years, I'm the vegetarian. But still now, India have the big problem in the vitamin D deficiency in the children and iron deficiency in the children. So egg is the fully biological value. It is the 98% biological value. And what is the biological value of the egg? That is means that 90% can be absorbed in our body, and they have the vitamin D also. They have the good cholesterol, and they have the omega-3, omega-6
Yeah.
fatty acid they need for the brain development. I'm not anything in the politician, nothing else.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
one egg can be give you the 7 gram of protein. And that's why the 30-gram pulses can be give you the 7-gram protein. And it's not possible to any child can be eat one time a 30 gram of
That's exactly what I was getting at. I
butter.
mean, look at the young ones out there. On their little plate, they have rajma, then they have soya bean, then they have paneer. I mean, the stomach can only hold so much, right? And this is just one midday meal. It's not like you're getting all the meals of the day. So that one midday meal
Yes.
has to really count. It's here and it's important because we're talking about the
Actually,
entire human resource.
yes. Actually, the midday meal is started for the only for the malnourished, kwashiorkor, marasmus protect the Indian government, and that's why they are starting in the midday meal. And basically, they can provide them eggs. And I just example for the 4 to 6 years, a child can be give you the 13 gram protein in a day. And how it possible to at the 4 to 6 year child cannot be eat the rajma chole in the 30 gram. But the 4 to 6 year child can be eat one egg a daily. That is, he can survive the 7 gram of protein.